this is a necklace. Elephant with baby.
Babies, but I don't think it's all babies. So it happens elephant give birth to twins. It happens sometimes. So they are eating the leaves there of that tree. So
Elephant
elephants
and baby eating.
they feed day and night, but they do sleep. They sleep 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. They sleep on the river bank, more especially the breeding head like this one, the brook. So I think she's not alone around this area. I think there are many, but because she enjoyed that tree, that's why they left her here. She's enjoying that tree. That tree name is sweet. So it's a female. So elephant is the only plant-eating animal with a breast on the front legs, not on the hind legs like some other animals, like some other 2 years somewhere there. 1 to 2 years. Because of those tusks and the body structure.